Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to translate text instantly using Google Lens in 2025. First, go to the Google application and open the Google Lens. Once the Google Lens is open, you'll see the main interface. At the bottom, look for the option called Translate and tap on it. This feature allows Google Lens to automatically translate text in real time. Simply point your camera at the text you want to translate or select an image from your gallery. As soon as the text is detected, Google Lens will begin translating it. You'll notice that within a few seconds, the entire text on your screen is transformed into the selected language. At the top of the screen, you can choose both the source and target languages depending on your needs. Once set, the translation will appear instantly and very accurately. That's it. With just a few taps, Google Lens makes it easy to translate text in real time, whether it's from a sign, a menu, or even a document. If this video helps, make sure to like the video, press the subscribe button for more useful content, and press the notification bell icon as well. Thanks for watching.